I'm going to show you how to replace a cabin air filter on a 2020 GMC Sierra 3500. The style is the same as the 1500s and 2500s, and it's the same as the Chevrolet Silverado 1500 up to 3500. So I have my cabin filter here. I cut the cardboard, the box that it came into, so it's the same width, because I'm going to show you a trick for getting these out and not getting anything into your blower motor. First step is you're going to open the glove box. Anything that you have in here you're going to want to remove. So any napkins, owner's manual, papers, pull those out, set them aside. Next thing, you have a strut rod right here for helping lower the glove box slowly. Here's the rod I was talking about. Sometimes I just get in here with a screwdriver and maybe push down just on one of the sides and spread it, and it just pops out, and then just let that sit there. Now there's a tab here and a tab here that stop it. You're just going to squeeze in on both sides and the glove box is going to come down, and it's held in with 4 retaining hooks, and so your glove box will fall out. That's why you want to take it out, or take all your stuff out, because it's going to just dump it out. This is the cover for your cabin air filter. What you want to do is you're going to want to bend this tab right here. I sometimes just use a screwdriver and just kind of help it, and pulls out slightly, and then this whole thing is just going to slide to the left, and these little tabs are here, hook in here, and so it keeps it secure. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take that piece of cardboard that you cut. You don't have to keep it a full piece, you can have 2 pieces and just slide it in and then spread it to each edge. But you're just going to get this in right underneath your filter, and you're going to push it in. That way anything that's sitting on top of here will drop onto this instead of going into your blower motor. Sometimes you can just push in and get your finger in here to help grab the filter, or get a screwdriver and kind of pull this out. You can see that this one is dirty, all the built-in dust, so we're going to replace it. Next, make sure you check inside here if there's any leaves or acorns or anything that has come in from your cowl, or a rodent has brought in. You're going to want to remove that now before you put it in your new filter. Sometimes you can just slide this out and everything will stay in there if there's some big stuff. Otherwise, get a vacuum in there before you put your new filter in. Now take your filter, put it in. Most of these will have an arrow to say which direction the airflow should be, and your airflow is always going to come down and in. So we're going to push that in. Now that your cabin filter's in, take your cover, make sure your tabs are over, slide it in so those are in, and then kind of push back on the tab and it's in there. The next step you're going to do is you're going to take your glove box, make sure all 4 retaining tabs are in, and flip this up, and you're going to, I like to lock it in first before going and hooking back up that strut rod. So this strut rod sometimes gets pushed up. You just get in there, pull on it with a pick so you can get it down, and just push it in. Once your strut rod's in, you can close it. Make sure your glove box opens slowly, how it should, doesn't just drop. Then you can go ahead, throw everything back in your glove box. Make sure to turn on your blower motor on high and listen. If your whole dash vibrates, most likely you've dropped something into your blower motor, and you're going to have to take your blower motor out from the bottom, remove whatever's in there to fix the imbalance so that it will not shake the dash anymore.